How to set up the Fisher-Price InteracTV. The InteracTV by Fisher-Price is a DVD-based learning system that allows children to interact with their favorite television shows and characters in an educational, friendly environment. The Fisher-Price InteracTV can be set up using the remote for your DVD player and the InteracTV controller. Steps. 1. Remove the Try Me Pull tab from the back of the InteracTV controller. 2. Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew and remove the battery cover from the controller. 3. Insert 3 AA batteries into the controller, then replace the battery cover using the screwdriver. 4. Verify that your DVD player is powered off. The DVD player must be turned off during the initial setup process. 5. Set the 3-position switch on the InteracTV remote to the 1 position. The InteracTV device can be set up with 3 different DVD players in your home. Use the blank label included with your unit to label each switch accordingly. For example, if programming the remote for use with the DVD player in the living room first, write living room next to number 1 on the label. 6. Insert the set-up card into the InteracTV controller. The light at the bottom of your controller will blink twice when properly inserted. 7. Place the remote for your DVD player on a flat surface. 8. Place the InteracTV remote on the same surface, directly facing the DVD remote. The remotes must be positioned no more than 3 inches apart from one another. The InteracTV controller will then start providing step-by-step audio instructions on how to program your DVD remote. 9. Follow the instructions provided by the InteracTV controller to press buttons on the DVD remote as directed. When pressing the buttons on your DVD remote, press and hold each button firmly until the green light goes off on the InteracTV controller. If you accidentally press the wrong button on your DVD remote during setup, remove and reinsert the set-up card into the InteracTV controller to restart the setup process. 10. Remove the set-up card from the InteracTV controller. 11. Power on your DVD player and insert the setup disc that came with the InteracTV system. 12. Use your DVD remote to select Test Your Controller from the main menu. 13. Insert the card labeled Test into the InteracTV remote. The DVD will begin guiding you through the Test Your Controller setup. 14. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the DVD to confirm that the InteracTV controller has been set up correctly. When all 9 letters and arrow buttons light up on the screen during the setup, the InteracTV controller has been correctly programmed with your DVD player. 15. Insert an InteracTV disc into your DVD player. 16. Insert an activity card into the slot on your InteracTV controller. The device is now set up and ready for use. Tips. Try replacing the batteries in the InteracTV controller if your DVD player fails to respond to the device. In some cases, low battery life can prevent your DVD player from communicating with the InteracTV controller. Verify that no furniture or other items are positioned between the InteracTV controller and your DVD player. Furniture and other large objects can obstruct the signal between devices and interfere with the setup of InteracTV. Things. Phillips screwdriver. 3 AA batteries. DVD player.